The Zelle permission error is one of the most frustrating issues users encounter when trying to manage their payment contacts. This error appears when you attempt to add, edit, or delete contacts in your Zelle contact list. This error typically stems from three main causes. First, authentication conflicts occur when there's a mismatch between permissions stored on your bank servers versus Zelle's central database. Second, incomplete account verification happens when users haven't fully completed their Zelle enrollment process or have pending security reviews. Third, multi-device synchronization issues arise when you access Zelle from multiple devices or banking apps, creating permission conflicts due to inconsistent session management. Now let's look at immediate solutions you can try. The first and simplest solution is to force close your banking app completely and restart it. This refreshes the app's connection to Zelle's servers and often resolves temporary permission conflicts. For Android users, clearing the app's cache and data can resolve permission issues. Go to your device settings, find your banking app, and clear both cache and data. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Re-authenticating your session by logging out and back in can resolve authentication conflicts. Sign out completely, wait about 30 seconds, then log back in. This creates a fresh authentication token with proper permissions. Finally, ensure you're using the latest version of your banking app. App updates frequently include fixes for permission-related bugs and improved integration with Zelle's systems. Check your App Store regularly for updates. These four immediate solutions resolve the majority of Zelle permission errors. Try them in order, and most users find their contact management issues are quickly resolved. If these steps don't work, more advanced solutions may be needed. When immediate fixes don't resolve the Zelle permission error, several advanced solutions can help restore your contact management capabilities. The first advanced solution is to complete your account verification. Ensure all personal information in your Zelle profile exactly matches your bank's records, including name spelling, address, and phone number. If verification doesn't work, contact your bank's technical support and specifically request a Zelle permission reset. This clears any authentication conflicts between your bank's servers and Zelle's database. As a last resort, you can temporarily disable your Zelle service completely and then re-enroll. This creates a fresh connection between your bank account and Zelle's system. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Here are key strategies to avoid Zelle permission errors before they occur. First, maintain consistent personal information across all your accounts. Any mismatch between your bank records and Zelle profile can trigger permission conflicts. Second, regularly update your banking apps. New versions often include improved Zelle integration and bug fixes that prevent permission errors. Third, designate one primary device for managing your Zelle contacts. Using multiple devices can create synchronization conflicts that trigger permission errors. Major banks are actively working to improve their Zelle integration. Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and Chase have all reported significant reductions in permission errors. These improvements include better API integration with Zelle's systems, real-time synchronization between bank servers and Zelle's database, and enhanced permission validation protocols. Looking ahead, the trend is toward enhanced authentication systems and much clearer error messages. Future updates will provide more specific guidance when permission errors occur, making resolution faster and easier for users. While Zelle permission errors can be frustrating, these advanced solutions and prevention strategies will help you maintain smooth contact management. As banks continue improving their systems, these errors should become increasingly rare.